Hello everyone. Good morning to one and all. Students, welcome back to today's online class of Standard 2 in English in DAV Public School Kumla. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 10. And this is our first part of it. And in this part, we are going to learn the meaning of the new words from the chapter. Alright, so let us first know the name of the title of this chapter. Do you want to know what is it? It is the Magic Matchbox. So the title of this chapter is the Magic Matchbox, and in this chapter you are going to come across various TCH sound words, as in the word batch, scratch, itch, ditch, switch. All these words are having TCH sounds. Okay, so before taking up the chapter, so we will first learn the meaning of the new words which are from your story itself. Okay, so all these words are from the story. So let's begin with the words. So the first word is, you can see it is written in bold, a large, that is forest. So what do you mean by forest? We all have often heard this term forest. It is a large area covered chiefly with trees and undergrowth. So next is behind. Behind means at or to the far side of something. At or to the far side of something, typically so as to be hidden by it. Okay, let us recall these two words again with its meaning. Forest. Forest is a large area covered chiefly with trees and undergrowth. Okay, then behind means at or to the far side of something, and so as to typically so as to be hidden by it. Okay, now let's come to other words. Next is tired, and tired means in need of sleep or rest. In one word we can also term it as weary. Weary means same as tired. Okay, so it is a synonym of tired. So once again let us recall its meaning. Tired means in the need of sleep or rest. In one word we can also term it as weary. Golden. Golden means golden colored or shining like gold. Anything which is colored or shining like gold can be called as golden. Okay, so now let us see the next word, tears. Tears has more than one meaning. So here I have provided you with the two of the meanings which we will come across the chapter also. First one is meaning of tears is a hole or split in something caused by it having been pulled apart forcefully. Once again, a hole or split in something caused by it having been pulled apart forcefully. Number two, a brief spell of erratic or unrestrained behavior. A brief spell of erratic or unrestrained behavior, or you can say in one word, a binge or spree. Okay, these are two meanings. Now again, see what are the words. Bright. What do you mean by bright? Giving out or reflecting much light. Giving out or reflecting much light. In one word we can say shining. So bright means giving out or reflecting much light, or in one word we can say shining. Now let us see what is the meaning of waves. Waves means to wave is to uh, move to and fro. Let me To wave is to move to and fro, like when you wave your hands. So wave is to move to and fro, like when you wave your hand. Now it is a very interesting word for the kids. That is a magic wand. In Hindi, we called it as jadoo ki chadi. The small kids used to termed it as jadoo ki chadi, which actually the fairy has to possess. Which the fairy possesses. So rod used in casting magic spells or performing the conjuring tricks. Magic wand is a rod used in casting magic spells or performing conjuring tricks. Now, just now I was telling about fairy. What do you mean by fairy then? A fairy is a small imaginary being of human form that has magical powers, especially a female one. In Hindi we call it as pari. Fairies are generally termed in Hindi as pari. So we can how can we uh, how can we uh, tell the meaning of it? We can describe its meaning like just like a small imaginary being of human form that has magical powers, who has magical powers, and the fairy are used to be especially a female one. Okay, the strike. Next, the strike. Hit forcibly and deliberately with one's hand or a weapon or other implement. So to hit forcibly and deliberately with one's hand and or a weapon or other implement. So let us recall all the words once again. Forest means a large area covered chiefly with trees and undergrowth, behind, at or to the far side of something, typically so as to be hidden by it. Next, tired means in the need of sleep or rest. One word we can also call as weary. Golden means colored or shining like gold. Tears has two meanings. Hole or split in something which is caused by it having been pulled apart forcefully. And number two, a brief spell of erratic or unrestrained behavior. In one word, we can also term it as a binge or spree. Next is bright, that is giving out or reflecting much light. Or one word, we can call it as shining. Waves to wave is to move to and fro, like when you wave your hand. Then magic wand, it is a rod used in casting magic spells or performing conjuring tricks. Next is fairy, a small imaginary being of human form that has magical powers, especially a female one. Next is strike. The strike means to hit forcibly and deliberately with one's hand or a weapon or other implement. So that were the meaning of some words from the chapter. So we will start reading the chapter in our next class, and till then you can practice reading at your home, and you have to also write this meaning of the new words in your copy also. And what is the today's assignment? You just look at it. You have to learn and write the meaning of the new words in classwork copy, as I have just told. So that's all for today. We will again meet in our next class with there we will start reading the chapter, and further we will continue with some worksheet part also. Till then, you take care of yourself. Have a good day. Thank you.